Welcome to Peeves, Tips and Tricks. I am Dr. Sherry Bainbridge, and there's been a bit of discussion about where a person stays on the line of light and the line of darkness, because we have both of this within us, of course. Well, I can tell you, in the center of light and dark is where the most evil people will be. This is where your narcissist, your sociopaths, and especially the psychopath is going to be. And I've had experience up close and personal with all of these. And where the psychopath lies is this individual is highly intelligent. Their most favorite thing and most pride that they will have is their capability of getting revenge and getting the things they want the way they want it, at the cost of pretty much all else around them. Now, I'm not talking about the psychopath that's way into darkness. He's dismembering, he's murdering, That's not the one I'm talking about. Just right here in the center. So now we're going to let go of this and bring the light line over. Have you ever had the experience where you are so excited about something amazing has just happened to you, and you are elated, and then all of a sudden the rug gets pulled out from under you? It happens all the time. And this is why. Because energy in this universe has a balance, and it will always bring you back to center. And where we want to be is right here in the center of light. And when we get that excited, if this is a subject you're interested in, please subscribe, do the thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when the next videos come out. But here is where you want to reside, is in the center. So go ahead, enjoy that excitement. It's fabulous, it's wonderful, it's amazing. And then bring yourself back to center. And this center is where love and humbleness and compassion and kindness resides. And you will notice that rug being pulled out someplace else in your life to balance that energy just doesn't happen. Divine love, everyone.